Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take you through a simple but very educational day here in the village, where we mix daily activities with learning and farming skills. It is evening and we walk to our neighbor's garden together with my brother. We had gone to pick a banana stalk that we had borrowed. In many rural areas, sharing planting materials is very common. It helps reduce costs and also keeps good relationships between neighbors. A strong community is one of the most valuable resources you can have. While at our garden, I took time to show you her kitchen garden. Our kitchen garden is very important to any household because it provides fresh vegetables, reduces food expenses, and improves nutrition. I noticed she had planted a variety of crops including groundnuts. Groundnuts help improve soil fertility because they add nitrogen back into the soil. So when she rotates them with other crops, the soil becomes richer and produces better harvests. We relaxed for a moment and ate the banana we carried from home. Eating fruits is a health habit because they give natural energy without processed sugar. Bananas especially are rich in potassium, which is good for the heart and muscles. My voice today is not clear because it's very early in the morning. I noticed I have to upload this video so that you can watch it on Sunday. Meanwhile, let me tell you something. On the other video, you saw my brother trying to fix my ring light, but it never worked. I was trying to hold my phone using anything. So like here, I was holding it using a banana stalk and then it fell down. It's very risky. I decided to place order on Kilimon. On another ring light. We then headed home to plant the banana stalk. When planting bananas, it's very important to choose a spot with enough sunlight and moist soil. Bananas grow well in loose, fertile soil with good drainage. When planting, make sure the hole is deep enough. Cover the roots properly and water it well to help it settle. With good care, the plant will grow into a strong banana tree that can produce fruits for many seasons. When my brother spots any new crop, he will bring it to the compound. So we decided to plant aloe vera. Aloe vera is very valuable plant with many benefits. It grows easily, requires very little water, and spreads fast. Aloe vera gel can be used for skin care, treating burns, soothing irritation, and even moisturizing hair. Planting it around the compound also helps with landscaping because the plant stays green all the year round. The next day I went to pick my parcel. I unboxed the Ringlight to show you what comes inside the package. If you are someone who wants to start filming tutorials or lifestyle videos, a Ringlight is a great investment. It's simple to use, affordable, and makes a big difference in your content. Today's activities taught me something important, that every small actions in farming and home improvements builds long-term results. Whether it is planting bananas, improving your garden, or upgrading your tools, everything you do adds value to your life over time. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. If you enjoy simple living, farming education, and practical home tips, please remember to like this video, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.
Mereka